Did you know fighters use wetting agents to make water wetter? The Eiffel Tower can grow more than 6 inches during the summer. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest. The main actor of The God Must Be Crazy was only paid $300 even though the film made over $60 million. She is 105 and he is 106. The world's oldest living couple celebrates 80 years of marriage. A 2000-year-old tree in South Africa called the Tree of Life. You can thank the Greeks for calling Christmas Xmas. Did you know the Terminator script was sold for $1? There are fossilized plants in the Greenland under 1.4 km of ice. The problem is people are being hated when they are real and they are being loved when they are fake. If you look into strangers' eyes, you can actually fall in love. Twelve people have been to moon, but only 8 people have won Takeshi's Castle. His dad lost his life in the line of duty and he didn't want to go school alone, so 70 cops joined him. Hotel room with no walls let you sleep in Swiss mountains. It has 9,000 people in waiting list. Moon pulls up water in ocean and even the lakes due to its gravitational force, which leads to formation of tides. The world wastes about 1 billion metric ton of food each year. The world's old toy is a stick. Humans have jumped further than the horse in Olympics. Jack Black is the son of a rocket scientist. After a baby hippo lost his family in a flood, a 103-year-old tortoise became his friend and cared for him. The winter of 1932 was so cold that the Niagara Falls froze completely solid. There is a location in Venezuela known where lightning strikes up to 280 times an hour. A concept lane has been designed that shows no windows but a wraparound screen that shows what's outside. France has become the first country in the world to ban supermarkets from throwing away or destroying unsold food. Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, and Steve Wozniak have all signed on an open letter for ban on artificial intelligence weapons. Medical errors are the top cause of deaths.